6th standard students are ready to enact the drama lesson The Scholar's Mother's Tongue with the help of textbook. Okay, are you ready to watch?
Yes, yes.
Introduce yourself.
I am Mithun. I am studying in 6th standard. My character is Pandit. I am Bindu. I am studying in 6th standard. My character is King Akbar. I am Varun. I am studying in 6th standard. My character is Minister Birbal.
Yes, these are the minister in this court and these are the courtiers. It is a Akbar court. Okay. Yes, in this Akbar, a learned Pandit visits to the Akbar court and he says,
I have mastery over different languages.
and the Pandit continues,
I can speak many languages fluently.
the Pandit makes a challenge to the court.
Is there anybody present here who can find out what my mother tongue is?
The courtiers discuss among themselves,
Maybe Kannada, maybe Urdu, maybe Tamil, maybe Telugu.
but they fail in their attempt to find out the Pandit mother tongue.
And so you all accept defeat. Oh no! Oh no!
Just then, Birbal speaks.
Well, Pandit, I shall find out what your mother tongue is in day also. Glad to hear that, Birbal.
Pandit's bedroom and finds him fast asleep. He whispers into the Pandit's ear, then he tickles his ear with a feather.
Yavaradi? Oh, that is it. Oh, that is it. Telugu.
Okay, the next day in the court,
Your mastery.
Majesty, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, the Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu. Yes.
The king astonished.
Well done, Birbal. How did you find it out? Your Majesty, in times of difficulty, a player's sweeps
Person.
person sweeps his mother tongue.
Then Birbal narrates the entire incident that took place in the Pandit's bedroom the previous night.
Clever Birbal, you have indeed from your bed again. Thank you, Your Majesty.
No, thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
The courtiers praise Birbal's wit and the Pandit leave the king's court in dismay.
I accept